The purpose of this tutorial is to showcase the difference between a single crochet and a waistcoat stitch. I've got a small swatch here made of single crochets that I've started to now waistcoat stitch in a continuous round. The difference between a single crochet and a waistcoat is that the waistcoat stitch is worked in between the legs of prior stitches versus worked underneath the top of the stitch. So you'll see here I'll insert my hook directly into the stitch, then I'll pull up a loop and pull through to close my stitch. And again here, working directly into the previous stitch, not under the top. Like you see this V, we're not going to work there. We're going to insert the head of our hook directly into the posts of the previous single crochet to create the waistcoat. You'll see the V's of the stitch stacking directly on top of each other versus being off to the side. And here I'll show you, if you stick the throat side of the hook in first, that may make it easier to work this stitch depending on how tight your tension is with your stitches. So you'll see there, I'm sticking the throat in versus sticking the point of the head in. That might make it easier for some, like I said, depending on your tension, to work into your stitch. And there you have it.